Hello students, how are you all? After many months we are meeting, I think, isn't it? So from in 9th standard, this is the first lesson I am starting for you all. Okay. So this lesson is about the physical features of India. So in this video, what you are going to learn means you are going to learn about the introductions. Introduction means in this lesson, what are the main important content are there. That one we are going to learn. So what is the main content in the sense? India, its vast and varied landform and its evolution you are going to learn. How India is very vast area and the varied landform. Varied landform in the sense we have varieties of landform in our country. Is that like plateaus, mountains, plains, deserts, etc. Islands. Okay. So that we are going to learn and how it is evolved. How it is evolved that we are going to learn. And the next is what we are going to study in this chapter. The most important thing is what we are going to study in this chapter is formation of Indian landmass. So in India, you know that we have a mountains, islands, deserts and all. How it is formed. Okay, formation of the India landmasses we are going to learn. And the major physiographic divisions like the Himalayan mountains, northern plains, peninsula plateau, Indian desert, coastal plains and the islands. So all the 6 major physiographic divisions we are going to learn in this lesson. And the last is important of varied physicals. Means all these 6 are why it is important to us. Okay, physical features, why it is important we are going to learn. So for this one, if I speak with you directly in the board, it can't be understood. Instead of that, I will explain you with the PPT along with some pictures. Okay, children? Okay, students, as I told you that India has its vast and varied landform and its evolution we are going to learn. And next is what we are going to learn is the formation of the Indian landmass, that is the tectonic plates we are going to learn, and the formation of the landmass we are going to learn, and then major physiographic divisions, and the last is the importance of varied physical features. The first we are going to learn about the theory of plate tectonics. So what is meant by theory of the plate tectonics? As I told you, the tectonic plates, in the sense the tectonic plates will be moving under the earth. So that is the theory of tectonic plates. We are going to learn detailedly that one. Before the different physical features, if you come to the different physical features along with the different rocks, have you seen on the land, almost most of the plates are filled with the rocks, even in the water also. So some rocks are very hard and some rocks are very soft also. Have seen, isn't it? And you have learnt about the rocks also, that is the igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rocks. So how it is formed also you have learnt in the last class. So reasons why, reasons for different in rocks formation and physical features. So that when we are going to learn why these rocks are different in different places. So land formed during different geographical or a geological periods. How these land is formed? Because of the weathering, depositions and the erosions. So because of this only you can find in different places different kinds of rocks also. Is it not? So this process is called as, so this weathering, deposition and the erosions, this process is called as the weathering, erosion and depositions. Okay, this process have created and modified the relief to its present form. So because of these three reasons only, in our country or in our world, so variety of the lands were formed. So the scientists have attempted to explain all this with the help of theory of tectonics. So for these things the scientists have explained, how he has explained very detailedly for us is the theory of the tectonic plates. How the tectonic plates will be moving on and making the folding, faulting lands and the volcanic eruptions also. Okay, that the scientists have thought. So that is only we are going to learn. That is called as the according of theory of tectonic plates. So tectonic plates are nothing but the land, all the lands in those days is all joined, and then later on with the convergent and the divergent, it started to move from one place to another place. So these tectonic plates started to move. These places are started to move little by little. So when they are moving, because of the land compressions also, the land has formed in different varieties, that is called as the mountain areas, or it may be a rifting valleys also. Understood? So earth crust is divided into, so this earth crust, you know, on the topper layer of the earth is called as crust. So this earth crust is divided into 7 major continents and some minor plates or small minor plates also is there, that is like islands also we can say. So the major continents are there, that major continents, how it was moved. So in those days it has a Gondwana land, or we can call it as the Pangaea land also. Later on this Gondwana and the Pangaeas moved and it formed a present world how we have, or a present land how we have. Okay, so the earth crust is divided into 7 major and some minor plates. So plates are continuously moving. So the plates will be started to move continuously, folding on magma. So the plates are continuously moving, floating on magma. Floating on magma in the sense, as you know that our earth have crust, mantle and the core, is it not? So crust is the topmost layer of the earth, mantle and the core. So under the earth, which is the core, the core is full of the magmas only. So the earth is on the land is only already floating on the magma only. Understood? So this will be the crust, crust, mantle and the magma. So these magmas, above this only the earth is floating. Okay children. So leading to folding, faulting and volcanic. So this magma is floating, our earth is floating on these magmas. When the magmas will be moving on, so these magmas will lead to the earth into folding also, faulting and volcanic. So you can see this is the folding activity, means how the land, this is actually on the crust. Later on this land and this land were submerged and it went down and this land has came above that. So this is called as folding. Understood children? The same way the rivers faults in the sense, faults is also having 3 kinds. So sometimes it may cuts, it may move here and there, also it may joints or it may move up and down. So rivers are so the faults will be reverse faults, we can say. The first A1, this is a block of crust before faulting. This is a full block of the crust. When it starts cracking, it becomes 2. Understood? So after faulting means after this crack is happened, how this land is moved. You can see here, after faulting, note that the blocks become shorter. One went down and one became up. So it became a shorter. It's a very large, now it became shorter. And then and eroded rivers fault, in the sense the uppermost layer is totally eroded from here and it is spread all over this down part also. So note that well passes through several layers. So this uppermost layer is past many layers also. So this is called as the faults. Folding in the sense one layer to one land to another land. Like I'll show you 2 books. Okay, these 2 books will be merging and one goes down and one becomes up and it may become higher also. Understood? This will be called as the folding. Folding in the sense these 2 blocks will be cracked and it may move and one become down and one becomes above. This is called as faulting. Okay. The next is volcanic. From the volcanic, you can see the volcanic eruptions will be happen. Based on this, it may happens the mountains also, children. Okay. Next is due to the movement of the plates. Movement in the sense these plates will be moving. These plates will be moving deep under the magmas. Various changes occur. So many changes will be occur. How it is occur? So there are 3 main plate movement we will say. That is the convergent plate, divergent plate and the transform plate. So convergent plate in the sense both will be joined and one layer will come above and one layer will goes down. That will be called as the folding. Divergent means both will be moved. These blocks will be cut and it will be moved here this way and this way. And the next is the transform plate. Like this, the land will be started to move from one place to another. So these plates comes towards to each other. Okay, these plates will come towards to each other. That will be called as like convergent plate. That is called as folding. And plates move away from each other. These plates will be moving away from each other. It is called as the faulting. For example, the Rift Valley we can say. And this transformation plates move horizontally and it becomes as the earthquakes or a volcano. Okay children, so due to this plate movement, plates collide and crumble and slides under each other. So here this movement of the plates, what happened, as I showed here, this land and these lands will be collides or crumbles or slides under each other, and this will be called as the formation of the mountains due to plate movement or the formation of the valley due to the plate movement. So this is also because of the tectonic plates. All this happens because of the tectonic plates. Okay.